Wait, don't exit this video. You think this is an animation produced by a professional team with sophisticated production? After all, the characters in the footage are cute. The entire animation is smooth and clean, and this lively dog character is hilarious. The storyline is both fun and relatable to daily life. But guess what? This wasn't made by a studio. It was created by me using 100% free AI tools. Now go to YouTube and search for a channel called iDog7. Check it out! This channel has 460,000 subscribers, 73 awesome videos, and its homepage is full of the cutest, funniest AI dog animations online. Now click the Trending tab at the top. Look at those views. Millions and millions. These aren't just random clips. They're viral, high quality, and super engaging. The most important thing? This channel's annual earnings can go up to $200,000. That's a huge amount of money. And these animations cost nothing to make, all done with 100% free AI tools. Next, I'll show you how I did it. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon right now. Subscribing is your ticket to becoming an AI creation pro. Let's move to the next part. I'll break down exactly how these amazing videos are made using AI tools that anyone can use, even beginners. Step 1. Let's go. First, open ChatGPT. Take a screenshot of a dog from that channel. Then upload the screenshot to ChatGPT's chat box. Then type this magic prompt. Give me a prompt detailing the subject, character appearance, character traits, depth of field, and character pose for the scene and character state in the image. I need it for text-to-image generation, as detailed as possible. Now, wait a moment. Done! All your prompts are ready. And they're not just any prompts. These are ultra-detailed, style-consistent prompts with perfect character consistency. You'll see one Jing-size scene description after another, cute dog animations, and flawless lighting details. Now, copy the first prompt. Step 1 is done. Let's move to the next step. Now, open the Leonardo AI website. First, log in with your Gmail account. The process is so simple, you won't believe it. Once logged in, you'll get 150 free credits every day. Click Text to Image, and the 3D image generator is ready. Choose the Pixar style to get 3D, animated-looking images. Now paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT. Paste the first prompt copied from ChatGPT into the box and click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Each image uses 39 credits and each prompt generates 4 beautiful images. Look at these. Pixar style 3D, super cute, totally eye-catching. The fur, lighting, poses, they look straight out of an animated movie. Now repeat with the next prompt. Paste, generate. Wait, done. Second set, done. Keep going. Each one gets better. This is where the magic happens. All your scenes now come to life visually, looking amazing. Now look through the images carefully, pick your favorites, and download them to your computer. There you go, your 3D Pixar-style images are done, folks. Let's move to the next step. We're getting closer to a complete animated story. Let's go! Now we come to the most important step. Step 3. Open DreamVid AI, a free AI video generator that creates smooth, natural AI videos. On the left side, you'll see a toolbar with various effect templates that can produce amazing effects. Let's click on a few at random to see. Wow, the visuals are truly stunning. I have to say, DreamVid is an incredibly interesting tool. Now let's start the magic of turning images into animations. Now, the most important step, step 3. Open DreamVid AI, a free AI video generator that creates smooth, natural AI videos. Let me show you how. To generate unlimited free AI videos with DreamVid AI, select the Image to Video feature on the homepage. Upload the first 3D Pixar-style image generated by Leonardo AI. Then paste the prompt used earlier. Don't forget to choose 16:9 aspect ratio, perfect for YouTube. Click Generate and wait a bit. Done. That's right. Your first video is ready. Look, the dog character in the image is moving. The background is vivid, looking just like a real Pixar movie scene. Now repeat the process. Upload the second image, paste the next prompt. Generate. Done. Second video finished. Continue. Upload the third image. Done. Fourth image. Done. Fifth, sixth. Done. All your scenes are now fully animated. Dynamic, emotional, engaging. Check each one. Every video is super appealing. The dog character moves, blinks, walks. Wow, really satisfying animation. Now, download each one. Step 3 done. We're almost ready to turn this into a complete animated story. Let's go. I'll use 2 websites. The first is 11 Labs. Just paste your text here and it will generate the voice for you. However, note that this service isn't free. So I prefer using TTS, which is a great alternative. It's completely free and can generate high-quality AI narration. Here's how I do it. I paste the prompts into the tool. I use a voice called Tom, one of the best and most natural-sounding voices. Input the code. Then click Generate Voice. And the AI voice will be ready for use. Let's use ChatGPT to generate a voiceover for each of our prompts to describe our animated videos. Then generate the voiceover using the tool I mentioned. Once generated, download and save the audio. Come on! The final step is to put everything in CapCut. Use CapCut to combine the footage and audio. You can add some extra audio to enhance the effect. Finally, export the video and let's watch the finished product.
A cute cartoon golden retriever puppy stands like a child and wears t-shirts and jeans. In one picture, the puppy runs angrily in a park. In another, it smiles and holds toy water guns outside in the yard. In the last picture, the puppy looks serious and holds a big kitchen knife with red paint on it in a kitchen. Each scene is colourful, fun, and shows the puppy's strong feelings.
Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you found these tips helpful. Share them with your friends. See you next time.